Bloody cats. Marvel, 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 Marvel. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you, Marvel. You're too big. You're gonna break that. Get off. Get off. Please get off. Good boy. Good boy. Go on. Jump. Jump. You can do it. Go on. Good boy. Well done. He's a clever boy. The minute I got the plants out, he's trying to paw at them and eat them. It needs to clear a bit. It's gone a bit cloudy. But I've put my plants in. And that has disturbed the substrate a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. Oh, you're liking those? You've got a new house. Fish, frogs and snails. How'd you like that? I'll let it clear. I'll take out these scrubbers. I'll top it up. And then maybe later on this evening or tonight, I'll give them something to eat. But I'll leave them be for the moment. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Huskies. Wow, beautiful dogs. Hello, Froggy. How'd you like that? Is that nice? I think it is. Where's all your buddies? They're all hiding. You're the one that's got no fear. Right, you lot in there, come out to play. Come on, you can do it. Oh, pregnant Molly. Hello, Mrs. Pregnant. You're looking good. Right, let's leave it alone for a bit and let it settle. I'm quite pleased with that. And what a bargain. You're supposed to get 25 plants. So there's 5 bunches of 5 of each plant. But we've got a hell of a lot more than that. £19 online from, what are they called? Lincolnshire Pond Plants. Lincolnshire Pond Plants. Up north. Took a day to get here. Fantastic. Let's hope they survive. We shall see. No reason why not. Way more than 25 plants there. Fantastic haul.